Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a collective haul of stuff that I bought during Black Friday. So let me go ahead and show you all the little goodies I was able to get. And I did get stuff from Scrapbooking.com, Lawn Fawn, and Polkadoodles. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what I was able to get. Alright, so the first thing I want to share with you is the stuff I got from Scrapbooking.com. So I will show you the free stuff that I have. So I did get this festive decoupage papers, which is all the Christmas ones. Oh, look at that. So I got a sheet of this stuff. This one is available on scrapbooking.com if supplies last. So I was able to snag that one up. Another thing I was able to get for free is the soda pop stamp. And this is actually really cute. Let me show you that one. And it does come with the sentiment right here. That's real nice. So this one was free. So what I did order from scrapbooking.com, they did have a Valentine bundle set, which came with a stamp, coordinating die, and a paper pad for Valentine. So here goes the stamp set. And it says, "You are my favorite." It has "Sweet," "Be My Valentine," "XOXO," "Love You," "Love," and then this one's "You and Me," "True Love," "Be Mine," "Love You," "Kiss," "Hugs," and it got little extras. And this one does cut out all the, I believe it cuts out all this half down here and these two sentiments. So these are fussy cut. So I got that one, and then I did get this Valentine paper pad, and it has 5 sheets of each pattern. It is GSM, and it does have 40 sheets. So let me show you this. So it does have 5 sheets each, and you got the confection hearts, and on the other side is pink. Look at that. You have some pretty cupcakes, and then you have the flowers on the opposite side. You have the cherries. And the other side is that. Then we have the cutie patootie hearts. I'm sure that's the last one. And then the back side is the grid, and then you got the doves. These are real cute. Oh, look at the back. The heart lock and key. And you do have the rainbow on this side. And then the opposite side you have like presents. This one is like a pink star. And then the back side of that one is like the school paper. It's a real cute pad. And then you do have the lines, and the opposite is the red. So that was a nice little kit I was able to get. So the next one I want to share is from Lawn Fawn. And this one, they did give me free cardstocks. These are actually real pretty. Look at that. I got those for free. And I love Lawn Fawn dies because they're so cute and tiny, which I love. And look at that. As a crafter, you know I'm reusing that. Oh, I also got a free sentiment, sending smiles. They said, thank you so much. It's probably for the order. Got that one. And this is from the new release. The first thing I have here is the sushi and the soy. And it does come with the coordinating die. Look at that. And it does come with little faces here and 2 sentiments. Super cute. So I was able to get those. I think this is the cutest stuff ever. And then it does got your stencil to go with this, so you color it. And you know me, the easier my job is to color, the better. And then the next one I have here is the heart with the little sentiments on there. Okay. And this one also comes with the coordinating die. And it also comes with the stencil. Love it. Love, love, love. And I will put the links below if they're still available. And then the last thing I was able to get is the little mice. And it does have the sentiments. And it does have little extras to it. And of course it comes with the coordinating die. And look at that stencil. Love it. I love, 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 love. So that's what I was able to get from Lawn Fawn. Now this I've never ordered from Polkadoodle. I believe it's in the UK. And I do subscribe to them on my email, so I was able to hear about a deal they were having. And so I went ahead and got an order. I couldn't pass this one up. But yeah, let me show you what I was able to get. The first one I have here is So Much Fun. And you have the girl and a little snowman. And then here you go. So it comes with the girl with the snowman, the tree, the, what was that, the little rabbit? Yeah. And then the sentiment. Look at that. And this were a great deal. I believe, let me see how much I paid for that. I'll have to look it up because it's in the UK currency. So I have to see how much I paid for it. But it wasn't a lot. It was actually pretty worth it. And then the next one I hauled here is this cutie patootie on a sled and a snowman. And it does have the most wonderful time of the year. And then here goes that. How cute are these? Those are super, super cute. And then when I saw these here, I'm like, OMG. The first one here, it says pick your own tea. And look how cute she is. Look at that. And this one is like rubber stamp. Gorgeous. And that one. Then I got hauled this one. I just love how they look. Look at that. Love, love, love. So I was able to get that one. Look at this cutie patootie. And then this is her. Love it. I love these. These are so cute. And look at that one. So they just come with the girl, not the sentiment. And look at that. Love it. So I got that one. And I did get some more. I got a few more. Another Halloween. Christmas one I got is she's dragging some presents. Look at that. And this one is a clear stamp. Love that. And then this one here. This one here was a Halloween bundle that I saw on their sale. So it comes with this little boy in a costume. Look at that. How cute is that? This is a clear stamp. And then you got another one in his little monster costume, a cutie patootie, that. And then I did get the sentiments that came with it. Love it. Here you go. So you gotta fussy cut these, but I don't mind. And then I also got this little monsters, like a little add-on. And you know, I love Halloween, so I couldn't pass this one. Look at that. Love, love, love. So I also got that one. And then I also hauled another Christmas one. This is like a little Christmas angel. Look at that. How cute is that? That is super cute. So I got her. And then I also got another angel with a deer. Real pretty. Look at that. Love, love, love. Love it. These are all beautiful. She got some. She also has digital. So you can also buy her digital stuff. And they are gorgeous. And then I also got this one. Look at the cutie patootie. And then this is also a clear stamp. And this one comes with sentiments. Love it. So yeah, that is my little shopping that I've been doing during Black Friday. I love it. I do love the Long Fawn release. There's some more pieces that I want to get from there. Polkadoodles. Oh, I love their little cuteness of their little stamps. So beautiful. So cute. I might have to get some of the digital. And yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite. Let me know, are you ready to start crafting for Valentine's, or if you already have. I know I'm ready to start, but I'm right before I start. There's a few more things I gotta do. But yeah, I'll leave all the links below of stuff that's available. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.